Hey, what's up, you guys? Good morning. Judging on my appearance yesterday, I didn't think it was possible to look more hideous than I did yesterday, but apparently you can. It's gonna be another long, stressful work day. I'm gonna send out an SOS call to my staff and see if there's any way I can get them to come in today or tomorrow, or extend their shifts for today or tomorrow, you know, all that stuff. This happens to me every year where I'm like, it's fine, everything's fine, and then like we're a few days out and I'm like full-blown panic mode. So inventory preparations are in full swing. I'm gonna condense as much as possible, take down as much as possible, clear up as many shelves as possible, and put product on here from the back room. This is where we are at this point in my life. Energy drink. Taking a quick little break, refueling, recharging, back out to organizing. This is the current state of my office. I need to clean it. So sorry we haven't checked in with you, or that I haven't checked in with you guys all day today, or since I got off of work. I've been super busy. I went and I did a quick Postmates, then I went straight to pick up Mia, then we went to the grocery store. We're having a Friendsgiving tonight, and I just got like a bunch of cheese and crackers, or not a bunch, but cheese and crackers and stuff like that. So these are my friends for my Bible study group, and I don't know if they're okay being on camera, so I don't know if I'm gonna film in there, but
perfect.
Alright, you guys, I'm so excited. I got my first ever Every Plate box. If you don't know where Every Plate is, it's a meal delivery service, much like Home Chef, Blue Apron, but at a much more reasonable price. This is my first ever box, so I'm excited to see what we have in here. These are the recipes that I picked this week. I got Greek chicken pitas. I got creamy Cajun chicken sausage penne, and I got apricot chili chicken. So for each of these things, they sent me exactly what I needed to make 2 servings of each of these recipes. So it comes delivered FedEx, and they put it in these cold bags. So everything in here is like super fresh. So each pack has exactly what you need for whatever you're making. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Look at this tiny little apricot preserve. That's gonna be for my apricot chili chicken. Sour cream. I love this because there are no ingredients wasted. None. Here are the pitas. There's fresh produce in here. I have limes, a pepper, potatoes, tomatoes, and everything comes with a solid ice block. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that if you want to try Every Plate, there is a link in the description box for you to get a big discount. So here's all the things I need for my recipes. So chicken breast strips, and everything is so cold, so everything's a good temperature. I'm probably not going to cook any of these things tonight. It's already late. I had Friendsgiving with some of my friends, and it's late. When you're having a good time, time just flies by. And I still have to edit this video to get it posted for you guys tomorrow. I'm probably going to be working a 12-hour day tomorrow to prep for my inventory. So there's that. If you watched today's vlog, thank you. I know that my vlogs are very boring. I live a boring life, but I love y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.